Now, the Electoral Commission, Attorney General and the Minister for Constitutional Affairs are before the Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee to actually answer queries relating to the electoral roadmap. They will respond to questions raised on the possible disenfranchisement of Ugandans who will be 18 years by 2021, among others. They also expect to present a statement on the constitutional amendment bill presented by Ndorwa East Mp, Wilfred Niwagaba.
Again, honorable members, I refer to Section 4, subsection 5 of the Parliamentary Elections Act. Section 4, subsection 5 of the Parliamentary Elections Act. It says, I read, for the purposes, now paragraph C, now subsection 1, let's look the qualifications. Section 4, the subtitle section 4 is qualifications and disqualifications of members of parliament. 1, a person is qualified to be a member of parliament if that person A is a citizen of Uganda, B is a registered voter, and C has completed the minimum formal education of advanced A-level standard or its equivalent. Then subsection 5. For the purposes of paragraph C of subsection 1, any of the following persons wishing to stand for election as a member of parliament shall establish his or her qualification with the commission as a person holding a minimum qualification of advanced level or its equivalent at least 2 months before nomination day in the case of a general election and 2 weeks in the case of a by-election. It is the law that stipulates that 2 months before nomination, if you want to contest for parliament, you submit either your A-level certificate or the equivalent. There's the certificate from National Council of Education, which is the equivalent of A-level. It is the law. And you look at section 13, honorable members. Section 13 provides the sanction. 13 factors, the subtitle.
I would, with your indulgence, when you say section 13, I would want you to make full citation, because we have journalists here who would ask me later on that section 13 of the Constitution.
No, sorry.
Yeah, but
Thank you. Section 13 of the same Parliamentary Elections Act. Members, section 13 of the same Parliamentary Elections Act.
I was actually referring to you.
Honorable members, section 13 of the same Parliamentary Elections Act says, the subtitle is factors which may invalidate a nomination. It says, a person shall not be regarded as duly nominated for a constituency, and the nomination paper of any person shall be regarded as void if A, B, C, D, then E, the person has not complied with the provisions of section 4. And one of the requirements is that you submit your academic papers to the commission 2 months before nomination. And the law is saying if you don't do that, your opponent can challenge your nomination and seek you to be validated. That is the law.
So, Chairman, I now want to understand where is it said in the provision you are citing?
The latest coming in from Parliament as the Electoral Commission officials and the Attorney General interface with legislators to let them know what their plans are for the electoral roadmap for 2021 elections.